equally, we all deserve a second chance. So, to summarize everything what we have stated, I, as the opposition whip, in behalf of my teammates, had consistencies and substantiation in our cases. So, Madam Speaker and the members of this House, I beg you to oppose.
She spoke for 4 minutes and 54 seconds. Thank you, opposition whip. Now, may we now call in the opposition reply. History repeats itself. We from the opposition side think that we will agree with that one. Why? Because we think today, this is going to be the 4th time that we are going to win a debate. I'm not going to tell so many things about our consistencies, our failures of the other side to be consistent with their cases, to be, I don't want to be angry because there's no sense of being angry in this debate because first of all, you guys, we're gonna win. Okay? So, our side was able to prove to you guys the benefits and the possible, outcomes that might happen once companies accept applicants with drug history. We're not going to deal anymore with their livelihood projects, with their other plans for those people who happen to be ex-drug addicts. We're not going to present those things. What we're trying to say here is that everyone should be given equal rights and should be treated equally and should be given a second chance. No matter how dirty or no matter how unacceptable his past was, still he is a human being and he deserves to be treated nicely even though he had a somehow bad past. So, I'm not going to make this any longer because it's up to you adjudicators if you're going to let us win. But we super think and we super think and we really believe, we 100% think that, we 100% think that we are going to win this debate. And so with that, Mr. Speaker and the chairs of this House, we beg you to oppose. Speaker spoke for 1 minute and 54 seconds. And now to finally close this debate, may we now call in the government reply.
Tangkad dre.
Alright, it is so unfortunate that in this debate, they disregarded a lot of our arguments. Alright, let's just take a look at it this way. They told us all about their arguments, but yes, they rebutted, but yes, they forgot the point of our arguments. It is so unfortunate that in this debate, they have been pressing again and again that everybody deserves a second chance. Yes, everybody deserves a second chance. Let's deal drugs right now, and let's have a second chance. What I'm trying to point out here is that we're still confident that we still have a stand in this debate. We will be discussing the summary of this debate with regards to 3 levels. What was the more pressing issue here in this debate? First was with the right to live. They've been stating earlier that we were already removing the rights of the people to live. And our response to that was, no, we're not removing the rights to live, but instead we're giving them a chance to serve for their, or to have penance for them. Because they've already done something. They didn't even think of what would happen to them if, before, right? Okay, next would be on how starting a new life would be very beneficial for them. Yes, we also believe in starting a new life. And yes, again, we pressed here that there are really people who have recurring side effects, which they disregarded. We emphasize here that there are people, drug addicts, who have recurring side effects. That's why we still say that they forgot to mention a few of our cases. And again, lastly, we have here about the good qualifications that they have posted here as a case. Yeah, they say that once you have once you have qualifications, even if you're a drug addict, we're gonna accept you in our company. And our response to that was a question actually. If there were two persons there, one was a drug addict and one was not, and both of them were equal and both of them are competent, who would you choose? Of course, you would choose the person who was a drug addict, right? So I guess they never tried to dig deeper with regards to our arguments and with regards to what we posted earlier. So that's why we say that we still have a stand in this debate.
Thank you, Madam Reply, and thank you for a very entertaining debate for today. So may we now ask both houses to cross. Alright, so we have the championship round. We just have to deliberate for 5 to 10 minutes. And while we're doing that, maybe call on our